Hello, hello. So part 2. So this one is, once again, it's sort of like part 2 of what I thought would shimmy on from my session this morning with my kinesiologist. And so this one is Bauhinia energy. So this one's heart energy and brain energy. So the first one I did was Evening Star, and that's when you're too much brain energy and helps to integrate heart energy. This one's heart energy, and it helps to integrate the brain. And I sort of think about people who are so much in the heart energy, and sometimes, and this would be lovely, wouldn't it? Yeah, sort of miss the consciousness of living on the planet and knowing what's really going on. And I think I've said, wouldn't it be lovely to put the genie back in the bottle this year and not know anything that we know now, to go back to being one of the sheeple. I think I would just love that. Unfortunately, I've just never been one of the sheep. I've always thought outside the box. I've always thought critically. So I find it really challenging when there's so much information available not to pay attention, but I'm really trying to put my phone away, put my computer away, not pay attention, especially to the doom and gloom, really trying to pay attention to the positive, to the light workers, to the good energy on the planet. And so that's where I need to go. So the second part to this is Bauhinia. Bauhinia, it starts with the heart energy as your core, but then it allows the brain energy as necessary, but it keeps bringing you back to the core. So what the flower essence hologram was there was Bauhinia energy, and Bauhinia in general is about resistance to change, rigidity and reluctance. And I'm sort of trying to, what I really want to do is compartmentalize my life. The people who are interested in anything, only talk to those. The people who aren't, not go anywhere near them. Not even that. But just simply not try to convince anyone of anything ever. I need to pull the energy out of my voice when I talk to people about things that they're, just not interested in. People are happy being asleep, and I wish I was asleep, let's face it. So, let's do this. So which one is it? Sorry. Transform. Okay. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively transform my resistance to change, my rigidity and reluctance into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively act with flexibility and enthusiasm. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively transcend my resistance to change, my rigidity and reluctance into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively act with flexibility and enthusiasm. Have you found that with people in your life this year, that they're reluctant to change, they're reluctant to wake up, they're reluctant to look at anything other than the mainstream narrative, which is flawed in so many ways, but that's okay. That's 99% of the people on the planet. We only need a small amount of people to add light and love and energy, and that has the potential to change things on the planet. Okay, I'm going to go jump in the pool. See you all later. Bye.